So in this video, we are going to see the code of this problem, that is largest square formed in a matrix. So in the previous video, we have already seen that in order to solve this problem, we need to create a TP of size n plus 1 comma m plus 1. So we are doing the same thing here. So we are creating a DP of size n plus 1 comma m plus 1. Now, in order to store the maximum value from this DP, we are going to create a variable that is maxval and we will initialize it to 0. Now, in order to traverse through this matrix, we are going to use two for loops for int I, for rows, and for column, the same thing we are going to do. Now, what we were doing, that whenever we were encountering 1, then we were checking the top, left, and the diagonal element. So we will do the same thing here, that if mat I minus 1, I minus 1, comma, j minus 1, j minus 1 is equal to 1 in the resultant matrix, result I comma, result I comma j, what we were doing, we were taking the minimum of these three elements. Okay, so in Java we can take minimum of at max two elements. So what we are going to do is basically we are going to take the minimum of two elements first and then take the minimum with the third element. So mat dot min of, so we can take the first element as the diagonal element. So result I minus 1 comma j minus 1, then the second element will be mat dot min of the top and the left element. That is going to be result I minus 1 comma j, I minus 1 comma j, and result of I comma j minus 1. Okay, so here we have taken the minimum of the three elements. Now we are going to add 1 to it. So 1 plus this thing. Okay, now in the max val, the element which we have, the variable that we have created, we are going to change the values in this. So whenever we are encountering the maximum value, we are going to change the previous value. So max val is equal to mat mat dot max of max comma the result, I comma j. Okay, now we are going to return max as our final answer. So this was it for the, you know for the code. Now we will compile this thing. So we are getting an error at line number 35. It is telling that int I. Okay, so okay, so here it is max val. So we are getting the output. Now we'll submit this. So it is getting submitted. So thank you.